Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to contact Temu customer support. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. Click on the search bar and type in temu.com/contact-us.html. Press enter. Now after doing that, you'll directly be led to the contact us interface of Temu. From here, you'll be able to contact the customer support. Over here, you'll be able to find the office address. If you visit this office address, you'll be able to contact them in person. Likewise, you'll also be able to see the available social media links over here. You can simply click on any of these links and contact them via the social medias too. Also, you'll be able to see various articles topic over here. You'll be able to find the options like order issue, shipping and delivery, etc. If you click on these specific topics, you'll be able to see the FAQs. Also, you'll be able to see the articles from which your problem may be solved. But if you really want to contact the customer service, for that what you have to do is click on this contact us option that you can see on the screen. Now after doing that, you can see over here this kind of chat box will open up. You'll be able to chat with the customer service. Simply click on this field. Now what you have to do is type in your message over here. You can also attach the files and photos by simply clicking on the plus icon that you can see right over here. After you're done, what you have to do is click on the send icon that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your message will be sent. Temu customer service will reply to you promptly. So like this too, you'll be able to contact the Temu customer service. So these are basically the ways to contact them. So that is how you contact Temu customer service. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.